Hey guys, and this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance with another video. I am out of uniform today because this is my home laundry room and I have to work on my own dryer. It's been down for about 2 weeks, mainly because you work on your own stuff last. So I'm getting it done today. Wife's been on me, so getting it done today. So I was thinking about doing this video on how to actually move the washers and dryers. So this video is going to show you a quick, easy way to move your washer and dryer, especially if they're heavy front loaders like this. And all you need, the only tool you need, is a paper towel, or your dryer sheets can work too. So you could use your dryer sheets, preferably the ones that you've already used, right? And use your dryer sheets, and these go right under the legs. So let me show you how easy this is. So this is without, right? It's kind of hard and bulky to move around. You got to do a lot of shaking and baking. And so get your paper towels. So this is a half of a half because I'm cheap. So half of a half, fold them, put them right underneath the legs. You tilt it back. They're usually not that heavy. It may slide back a little bit when you try to tilt it. So you can either open the door and use this as a hinge point, but the higher the better. If you go low on it, it'll just push it back. So start high, right? And this is a notorious Electrolux drawer that never likes to stay closed. There we go. Push it back. All right, under the legs. Now this may be a two-person job for you, and of course everything wants to pop open while I'm trying to video. That's all right. There we go. Now, it's only on the front too, because obviously you're doing this because it's hard to it's not accessible. But if your rear 2 feet are accessible, then yes, I do recommend all 4. But 2 also takes some of the load off, and only the back 2 are dragging. And watch this. Nice and easy. Drawer pops open for you. Slides nice and easy. And I never had a problem with this drawer until I record. But